Imagine you're walking down the street and suddenly a police officer approaches you and arrests you without any warning. Scary, right? But what happens next? Do you know your rights? Today, we are diving into a topic that could impact anyone. Arrest, rights of an arrested person, and the powers of police under Chapter 5 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Whether you're a student, a law enthusiast, or just someone who wants to understand your basic rights, this video will give you all the answers you need. Arrest is not just about taking someone into custody. It's a legal procedure that comes with its own set of rights and obligations. Chapter 5 of the Criminal Procedure Code, CrPC 1973, specifically deals with the arrest of persons and outlines the powers that police officers have during this process. Understanding these laws is essential because it equips you to handle situations if you or someone you know is ever arrested. The CrPC gives the police authority to arrest individuals, but it also places limitations on how the power is exercised. From the right to know the grounds of arrest to the right to bail, the law seeks to strike a balance between maintaining public order and safeguarding personal liberty. Here's a quick summary of what we'll cover. First, rights of an arrested person. 2. Power of the police during an arrest. 3. Legal obligations of the police. 4. What to do if your rights are violated. 5. Recent updates and significant judgments on this topic. The first thing to understand is that the rights of an arrested person are not just legal formalities. They are protections designed to prevent abuse of power. First, a right to know the grounds of arrest. According to Section 50 of the CrPC, any person arrested without a warrant must be informed of the reason for their arrest. This was reinforced in the landmark judgment of Joginder Kumar versus State of Uttar Pradesh, where the Supreme Court held that an arrested person is entitled to know the reason for their arrest immediately. 2. Right to legal representation. Section 41D of the CrPC gives an arrested person the right to consult a lawyer of their choice during interrogation. This is a crucial right that cannot be denied under any circumstances. 3. Right to be presented before a magistrate. Section 57 mandates that an arrested individual must be presented before a magistrate within 24 hours. The Supreme Court in D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal emphasized this right, stressing that any delay could lead to a violation of fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Constitution. 4. Right to medical examination. Section 54 ensures that an arrested person has the right to a medical examination to check for any injuries that may have occurred during or after the arrest. This serves as a safeguard against police brutality. While the police have the authority to arrest, this power isn't unlimited. Here are some critical aspects of police powers during an arrest. First, arrest without warrant. Under Section 41, the police can arrest without a warrant in cases where a person is suspected of committing a cognizable offence, which means the offence is serious enough to justify the immediate arrest. 2. Use of force. The police can use reasonable force if the arrested person resists, but it must be proportionate to the resistance offered. The Supreme Court in the state of Uttar Pradesh versus Ram Sagar Yadav stated that the use of excessive force during an arrest would be deemed unlawful. 3. Search upon arrest. Section 51 permits the police to search the arrested person and seize any illegal items. However, this must be conducted respectfully and without unnecessary humiliation. 4. Documentation. Arrest memos must be signed by a witness and the arrested person. This procedure, established in Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar is vital to ensure transparency and accountability. If you believe your rights have been violated during an arrest, here is what you can do. First, file a complaint. Lodge a formal complaint with the higher police authorities or the Human Rights Commission. 2. Legal recourse. Approach the courts with a writ petition under Article 32 or 226 of the Constitution for enforcement of your fundamental rights. In the case of Khatri versus State of Bihar, the Supreme Court held that a person deprived of their rights during an arrest could seek immediate relief from the court. 3. Demand medical examination. If you suspect any form of brutality or coercion, insist on a medical examination as documented under Section 54. Recent amendments to the criminal laws have focused on increasing transparency and accountability during arrests. The proposed changes in the Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2023 aims to strengthen the safeguards against illegal detention and make the entire process more transparent. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud recently commented that arrests should not be a tool for harassment but a means to secure justice, highlighting the judiciary's stance on protecting personal freedoms. To recap, here are the key takeaways. First, you have the right to know why you're being arrested. 2. The police must follow strict guidelines during an arrest. 3. Legal representations is your fundamental right. 4. If your rights are violated, seek immediate legal help. Understanding these rights and the limitations on police power is essential for safeguarding your personal freedoms. So, next time you think about your legal rights, remember these points. Knowledge is power and it's your first line of defense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's spread the word and ensure everyone knows their rights. Drop your questions in the comments and we'll address them in our next video. Stay informed and stay empowered. Bye.